Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, February the 6th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese suguru, with 4 stars. But you are interested in the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 7951. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here in the second row. So the rest are O's. Between the ones comes no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1 here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 1s we have here in the last column. So the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O here 1, there 1. Double 1 here no, there no. Double O here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. And a double 1 here. Here no, there no. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Finish in 2 minutes. Wow. That's a quick one to solve without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all. Solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.